A first date can be nerve-wracking, but it doesn't have to be awkward. Choosing the right activity can set the tone for a comfortable and enjoyable experience. Here are some ideas that will help you avoid awkward silences and create a memorable connection. Number 1, shared interests. If you both enjoy a particular hobby like hiking, biking, or playing board games, do it together. It's a great way to connect over something you both love. Or you can take a cooking class, pottery lesson, or painting class together. Learning something new side by side can be a fun and engaging experience. Number 2, active and engaging. Go for a walk in a park, visit a botanical garden, or explore a local museum. These activities offer plenty to talk about and can help you feel more relaxed. If you're both sports fans, attend a game or go bowling. Sharing a common interest can make it easier to connect. Casual and low-pressure dates can really help you get to know each other without feeling overwhelmed. A simple coffee or tea date is a classic choice that works wonders. Or how about packing a picnic and enjoying a meal in a park or by the water? It's such a relaxed and enjoyable setting that can help you feel more comfortable. All right, let's talk about some tips for a successful first date. First and foremost, be yourself. Authenticity is key to building a genuine connection. Next, ask open-ended questions. This encourages conversation by asking questions that require more than a yes or no answer. Also, be a good listener, show interest in what the other person has to say. And of course, have fun. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. The goal is to enjoy the experience. By choosing an activity that aligns with your interests and makes you feel comfortable, you can set the stage for a successful first date. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and have a good time.